Good news for all Huawei fans out there, especially those using the Nova 14 Pro and Nova 14 Ultra. Huawei has just released a brand new software update, and it comes with a handy new feature that changes the way you use your phone, a new swipe gesture for the control center. In today's video, I'll explain what this new feature does, what other improvements come with the update, and how you can get it on your device. Let's jump right into it. So first, if you've used a Huawei phone before, you know how important the control center is. It's where you manage things like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, airplane mode, screen brightness, and your notifications. It makes it easy to access important settings without digging through menus. Now, with the latest HarmonyOS update for Nova 14 Pro and Ultra, Huawei added a new swipe gesture that makes switching between the control center and the notification panel even easier. Instead of swiping down from one side of the screen to access these panels, you can now swipe left or right at the top of the control center to move between the two. It's a small but very useful change that makes the phone feel smoother and faster to use. Even though Huawei didn't officially list this gesture in the update notes, people who've tried it already love how convenient it feels. But that's not the only thing new in this update. There are several other improvements too. Let's quickly go through them. First, the camera has been improved. Huawei fine-tuned the camera software to make your photos look better in certain situations. If you've noticed some pictures looking dull in bad lighting, this update should fix that. Portraits, landscapes, and low-light shots should now appear sharper and more balanced. Next up is sound. Audio playback has been enhanced as well. Whether you're watching a video, playing a game, or listening to music, the sound effects now feel clearer, louder, and more immersive. Huawei also made changes to a couple of apps. The Weather app and Smart Assistant got updates, making them faster and easier to use. So now checking the weather forecast or getting quick updates from your assistant will feel smoother and more reliable. The update also improves the phone's face recognition system. If you had trouble unlocking your phone in odd angles or in low light, this update should make face unlock quicker and more consistent. On top of that, Huawei worked on the overall system stability. This means fewer bugs, better performance when running multiple apps, and a smoother experience while using your phone. As for security, the update comes with the June 2025 security patch. That's really important because it helps protect your phone from the latest threats and keeps your data safe. This new update is labeled HarmonyOS 5.0.1.130 and is being rolled out gradually. So if you haven't received it yet, don't worry, it's coming. Huawei likes to send updates in batches to make sure everything works fine before everyone gets it. You can check for the update manually by going to your phone's settings, selecting System and Updates, and then tapping Software Update. If it's available, download and install it. Just make sure your phone is charged and connected to Wi-Fi before you start. If you've already installed this update, I'd love to hear how it's working for you. Have you tried the new swipe gesture? Do you notice the camera and sound improvements? Share your experience in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more Huawei news, updates, and tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.